2021 Jaguar F Pace. What's under the hood of the 2021 Jaguar F Pace? Overview. Filling an obvious gap in the Jaguar lineup will be the midsize J-Pace SUV, which is expected to arrive as a 2021 model. The J-Pace will take on premium midsize SUVs such as the BMW X5, Porsche Cayenne, and Mercedes GLE class, but we expect it to offer more seductive styling than its rivals. Little is known about the J-Pace so far, but we know it's going to be sold eventually. It also could be the vehicle that launches the brand's new inline six-cylinder engine and will almost certainly offer an electrified version, be that a full EV or a plug-in hybrid powertrain. What's new for 2021? The J-Pace will be an all-new model and a brand new nameplate when it reaches the market. Pricing and which one to buy. Base, $65,000, EST. Premium, $70,000, EST. Prestige, $75,000, EST. R Sport, $80,000, EST. SVR, $100,000, EST. We're guessing here on the pricing, but if the J-Pace follows Jaguar's current pricing structure, it'll be offered as several different variants culminating in a performance model bearing the SVR logo. Engine, transmission, and performance. Jaguar's been busy developing new powertrains of late, and we expect an inline six-cylinder engine to be offered in the future, an engine that would seem to fit perfectly under the hood of a midsize luxury SUV. There's also talk of additional electric vehicle offerings and, as with the smaller I-Pace SUV, the J-Pace could fit quite a large battery pack to deliver decent all-electric range. A plug-in hybrid model is also possible. We won't know more about what powertrains will be offered on the J-Pace until closer to its launch date. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Without more details on the available powertrains, we can't possibly estimate the fuel economy of the J-Pace. Jaguar would be smart to target fuel sippers in the segments such as the Acura MDX and the Volvo XC90, those two delivered 28 mpg and 27 mpg, respectively, on our 200-mile highway fuel economy test route. Interior, comfort, and cargo. If the smaller F-Pace's interior is anything to go by, the J-Pace will be lined in nice materials, Windsor leather upholstery, real wood and aluminum trim, and feel truly upscale. With the larger, mid-size body, we expect additional passenger space, particularly in the rear seat, as well as an optional third row of seats for extra passengers. Cargo capacity should be enough to accommodate families and keep up with rival SUVs. For context, we fit a total of 26 carry-on suitcases inside both the 2020 Mercedes GLE 450 and the 2019 BMW X5. Infotainment and connectivity. Like it or not, the J-Pace will almost certainly come with a touchscreen-heavy interior, with several displays to cover infotainment, vehicle settings, climate control, and more. The so-called InControl Touch Pro Duo system is currently offered in most of the rest of the Jaguar and Land Rover lineups, and while slick-looking, its operations are often buggy and delayed. Navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration will all likely be standard fare. Safety and driver assistance features. Since the J-Pace hasn't even been shown in concept form, neither the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, nor the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, have crash results to report. We expect the J-Pace to come with a host of driver assistance features as standard. An optional semi-autonomous driving mode is also likely, as nearly all of the J-Pace's established rivals offer such a feature at least as an option. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Jaguar's factory warranty is one of the better offerings in the luxury game, with coverage lasting 5 years or 60,000 miles. Another perk is a complimentary scheduled maintenance program that lasts just as long. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 5 years or 60,000 miles.